guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I am so excited to share with you how I like to make my fried okra. I had this years ago in Savannah, Georgia, and fell absolutely in love. This along with fried pickles. Fell in love, so delicious. I shared a couple weeks ago that I had made a batch. I shared it on Instagram, and I had a ton of people ask for the recipe. It's so easy and simple. This is my take on it, but if you make it differently, I would love to hear down below how you make it. A lot of people ask me, what does fried okra taste like? To me, listen, to me, it tastes like fried zucchini. To me, but you know, you do you, boo. Let's get started. I'm going to show you what you need. You'll need some milk and an egg. You can also just use buttermilk if you want to. And then I've got a combination of cornmeal and some flour. And then you'll need your fresh okra. And this is just my my homemade seasoned salt. So that's all it is. And then you'll need some frying oil. And you're going to have to make a little bit of a dipping sauce because honestly, without it, it's just not the same. And I'll share with you what you need for that. Then, let's talk okra. This is sort of what you want to look like. I like the smaller pieces. It's sort of slimy on the inside. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of slimy on the inside, but when you crisp it up, it's just absolutely divine. I don't love the super big pieces of okra, so find the tender pieces. And I just like to leave these little bits out. It's not my favorite. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop it all up, like I said, about 1/2 inch thick or so, while my oil is preheating, and then we move forward. All right, once you got that all cut up, season your egg and milk, season your cornmeal flour, and I've got my, this is just my house seasoning is what I call it. It's got paprika, some salt, garlic, onion, and some parsley. Easy, right? Easy, easy, easy. Whisk those together, then whisk this together. Get your oil nice and hot. Okay, I'll probably just do 2 batches. And I'll show you. Take half of that, put them in there like so. I just want to test the oil real quick. Nearly there. Crank that up a little. Okay. And then shake off all the excess. You can also, like I said, instead of doing egg and milk, you can just do plain buttermilk. That works as well. Coat them in that, like so. Okay, I just do one of these. All the excess falls through. It's a great trick. Great, great trick. And like I said, I'm going to just do this in 2 batches just because there's a lot here. Shake off the excess. In the hot oil it goes. And all that needs is just a few minutes. I'm going to get a paper towel going to get these strained. Then I'll do the second batch. Then we mix the sauce. Then we be snacking. Snacking. Second batch out. You can cook them as crispy, as dark, or as light as you want. Just make sure that you let them absorb on some paper towel. I like them real crispy. Joe likes them a little bit less. That's for everything, by the way. There's a running joke in this house that if we make pizza, I like my pizza really charred and really well done. Him, not so much. If we buy French fries, I like mine super, super crispy and well done. Him, not so much. So, running joke. So there's a little bit for everybody. Now, these are perfect and gorgeous. I'm not going to season them anymore because there was quite a bit of the seasoning in the milk mixture and in the flour mixture. So now to make the sauce, this is super simple. I've got some mayo, some whole grain mustard. I've got some dill pickles here along with the pickle juice. This is completely how you want it. You adjust the seasoning how you want. This is just how I like it. I've got garlic here and I've got paprika. Add those in. A little more house seasoning. Okay. Give that a really good stir and you serve. Like I said, you can make the sauce however you like. If you don't like dill and you like bread and butter, do that. You can use relish. You could use whatever. You can use no pickles at all. Just add a splash of vinegar. But to me, This is my favorite. This is a great, great sauce to serve with a lot of things. Oh, it's so good. The crunch is unbelievable. I'm telling you, we don't really have fried okra on the menu many places around here in Jersey. So, when you've got fabulous neighbors that grow the okra and you just happen to receive some, then you get to really reap the benefits of something as delicious as fried okra. It's very simple and easy to make. I will have the recipe on the website for you on laureninthekitchen.com. I hope that you give it a try. You're gonna love it. I know you will. I'll see you next time. Bye.